I'm Caleb with Maine's Woodshop, and today we're going to make a tissue box, or I guess a tissue box holder, and it's got a bottom that slides out so you can put the box of tissues in there. Let's check it out. I want to make a tissue box. And so I got this, and it's like the perfect height already, which is great, so that means I don't have to resaw this at all. It's got extra room up here, which is fantastic because I'm going to cut a groove for the bottom. Let's begin this project by taking like measurements and shit. And I want to leave a little bit of gap, just so it has some wiggle room in there. I always want some wiggle room. Easier to leave a little bit of extra material because once you cut it off, you can't get it back. So I'm just going to put a little mark there. Alright, I've just got a stop block set up so I can cut my three sides out. Since this is going to be butt jointed on the long pieces, I don't want to blast through all the way, otherwise when I assemble it you're going to see that groove. So I've set up a stop block here so I can run it and take it off and it won't go all the way through. Now on this back piece, it won't matter if it goes all the way through because that's going to be, well, on the router, I ended up having to go through and make one more really shallow pass just so this 1/4 inch bottom will fit in there. It made one of these sides too tall, so on just one of them I cut it a little bit shorter so it'll still fit flush with the top, and then I got this little piece that I cut off of it and I'm going to use to cap it off later. I think I'll go ahead and assemble it with the bottom in place just to keep everything lined up properly. I'm going to be real light with the glue around the groove for the sliding bottom because I don't want glue to squish in there and accidentally glue that panel in place. Now I know this is end grain getting glued here, but for a small stationary project like this it'll be fine. Cut out, dude. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also be sure and subscribe to Maine's Woodshop too because I post new woodworking videos every single Friday. Occasionally I have Maine's Minis which come out randomly, and you click the notification bell so you do not miss a video. I'm thinking about starting a vlog channel. I already have a second channel that I kind of set up when I was setting up Maine's Woodshop and I sort of abandoned it. But I'm thinking about doing that, so I'll give you updates on that in the future. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time. Hey, don't waste.